Intraocular muscles. These muscles are located inside the eyeball. Intraocular muscles are responsible for internal adjustments of the eye, like focusing vision by adjusting the lens, accommodation, and regulating pupil size to control the amount of light entering the eye. They are smooth muscles, that means they are not under voluntary control. So they are responsible for involuntary eye functions, like accommodation. The eye has 3 intraocular muscles. 2 muscles are responsible for regulating the pupil size, and 1 muscle controls the lens. The 3 intraocular muscles are Sphincter Pupillae, Dilator Pupillae, Ciliary Muscle. Let's look at their specific functions. Sphincter Pupillae. This muscle constricts the pupil, causing miosis, thus reducing the amount of light entering the eye. Dilator Pupillae. This muscle dilates the pupil, causing mydriasis, allowing more light to enter the eye. Ciliary Muscle. This muscle is responsible for controlling the shape of the lens, which allows for focusing on objects at different distances. This muscle changes the lens's shape, enabling the eye to focus on near or far objects. This process is called accommodation. Thank you for your attention.